In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. From there, tap Privacy. The first thing you need to check is whether your account is set to private. If it is, turn off the private account option so everyone can see your videos. Next, go back to Settings and Privacy and scroll down to Cache and Cellular Data. Tap Free Up Space, then tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary data and refresh the app without deleting your videos. Now go back to your profile and open the video that is not showing to others. Tap the three dots, then select Privacy Settings. Make sure the audience is set to everyone. If it is set to friends or only me, change it to everyone so your video can be seen publicly. Finally, when uploading new videos, always make sure the visibility is set to everyone before posting. And that's how you fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.